Welcome to America's Home Place. My name's Amy and I work in the Columbia, South Carolina location as a sales manager. Today, I want to talk to you about carpet. One of the products that we have standard in our homes is the carpet. Carpet comes from the Shaw Flooring Company. You know, today, a lot of people like to have the luxury vinyl tile and the hardwoods, but for those that want the carpet in their home, these are wonderful patterns. And we have a wide variety of colors available. We have some two-tone product that's available. For maximum performance, we have a 6-pound pad that goes underneath the carpet. It comes standard in all of the bedrooms and in some of the family rooms. However, if you don't have it standard in an area that it's available in, we would be more than happy to put that product in for you. It's a great sound barrier. It's great for kids to roll over and have fun and watch television on. And it is a very comfortable product. It's durable and it's a beautiful product. Hopefully you found this video informative, and if you need more information, you can reach us at americashomeplace.com. Thanks for watching.